Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel banner in Canva for free. Now once you are here logged into Canva, you can click here on templates and you can just search up YouTube banner. Okay, hit search and this will give you the exact file size for YouTube banners as you can see right here. And you can go ahead and use any of these templates to customize, okay? Or you can create your new project from scratch and use the template size. So let's pick one. You can pick according to your niche. Let's say it's a gaming channel, right? For example, let's pick this one. And now as you can see, it has the YouTube banner size and you can use this template. Now this one is a paid template. It's a pro plan because it contains paid elements. If you want free ones, you can look for the ones without this crown. For example, if we scroll up, can see these ones do not have the crown, right? So you can pick these if you want. So let's go ahead and, for example, just use this one right here. So you click on it, so you can see, click on Customize Template, and it will actually open up in a new tab. So let's wait for this to load up. This one is basically a podcast type banner. And to change the images, okay, very easy. So what you do, you need to upload your own images, or you can of course come here to the left hand panel and just get the elements right here and just search for any image. So come here to uploads. I already had uploaded a file of say this person. You just take the photo, okay, and we'll bring this in, right? So you can just drag it and you can drop it on that element. So as you can see, we have replaced the image. Now let's zoom in. You can use this to zoom in, this slider, and you can change anything here. So you can change the name, okay? Right here you can edit everything. Grow, let's change this from rice to grow. And yeah, fuel mind, elevate your life. You can change the color of all of these as well. So here, let me highlight these, okay? And then we come here, let's change the text color. Let's make this one yellow so it stands out from the blue. Perfect, that looks nice. New podcast every Monday. We can highlight this to green. All right, so we have highlighted just that one specifically. Let's use a nice shade of green. Let's say this one. Hopefully that one stands out. Perfect. And once you're happy with it, right? You're happy with everything you've changed. Just come here. By the way, you can also change the color of these. You can just come here, change the colors. You can mess around with these if you would like. We'll just honestly leave it as it was. All right. So to undo, you just come here, left, click on undo. Then once you're happy with it, you just come here, click on share. Okay. The top right, click on download. And you can download this as a PNG. That will give you the best file quality compared to JPG. So use a PNG and then you can just come here, click on download. So as you can see, this one is downloading our banner right here. And once it is done, we'll actually just open this up in a new tab real quick just to show you what it will look like. But otherwise, right, it's really that easy. So here we go. We have it opened up. That is our banner. Perfect quality. So really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App